You gonna go up? Hurry up! No, I'll go. I'll fly with you again, don't worry. I shouldn't have set up next to the water though. Iran. Yeah, they've had them for a while.
Timer cleared.
Okay, take it up.
Gear up.
Cold. Come on.
I gotta fly the T-33 or something.
Come on.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
5,000.
I'll do a pass with you before you take off. Are you getting ready?
Third.
Hold on, don't go up yet. I'll tell you when to start going up. Start going. Go, I'll be behind you. You be the judge, I don't know.
I'll come back down.
Go ahead. That's a lot of vertical, man.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Yeah, that's better than this even. Let me see if I can do some flying with you.
Yeah.
It's burning the light!
This isn't a very realistic formation.
The light is on fire!
I'm like coasting, right?
30 seconds.
I got plenty of time, don't worry. The wind's pushing us.
10, 9,
I'm gonna do a pass from the right.
Go.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
That thing is very maneuverable. Holy crap.
Time expired.
You're whipping it around and I can't whip it around like that. I don't even know where the hell you are. Sheesh. That thing's got serious vertical.
It just looks so cool coming around.
It does look really cool, especially low.
God, I can't believe how comfortable that I am with it already.
Okay, I gotta land.
I'll follow you in. This thing's actually really efficient. I'm not gonna change to an SMS.
You don't need to. It looks pretty good.
I'm the pace plane. It's hard to tell
They use those for that too.
It's hard to tell orientation out there.
It is, that's why I'm kind of staying close.
1 minute over.
Nice bouncing.
Yes.
Flying.
Yeah, that thing's
That's
pretty
not a
awesome.
brand new battery too. These aren't even broken in.
So do a slow pass. There's another take cam.
Here, I know what you want me to do. I'll do that with the 6,000.
I want to see what the 5. Seriously, do it again. Just. Yeah, that was. Go. That's pretty impressive. That's only a 5,000 too, right? That thing's cool, Nate.